5 types of videos you can upload on your page to make $1,000 monthly as a new content creator. Now, if you're not tired of poverty, if you're not tired of complaining about money, don't skip this video. Don't skip this video. If you really want to earn higher on Facebook, watch this video to the end. You all know that of recent that Facebook has started paying Nigerian content creators. Before, Facebook does not pay Nigerian content creators, right? Now Facebook has started paying, and a lot of persons are cashing out on daily basis. 5 types of video you will upload on your page to make $1,000 monthly on Facebook. Let me show you how to right now. Watch.
5 types of content you can upload on your page and make up to $1,000 from Facebook every month as a new content creator. Number 1, lifestyle-oriented content. Your day-to-day life, how your life go today, what you do today, where you go today, what you eat today. Those are the lifestyle-oriented content. Person like Angela Nwosu is an example of this type of content, and she dey create all those type of content. Everything wey dey happen around her, wetin she buy, if she go market o, if she dey sleep o, wetin she dey cook o. Those are the type of content we dey call lifestyle-oriented content. You fit create those type of content and you go still make money from that content at the end of the month. You know, understand? Number 2 type of content you can create as a new content creator and make up to $1,000 from Facebook every month is what we call storytelling. Like you're sharing your personal life experiences, and this one is the best form of content because na this type of content they build people wey dey interested in you and they love you. Because I tell people say everything wey they pass through for life, somebody dey somewhere they pass through that same thing, whether na successful or failure. Person they pass through that phase of life, and they wonder whether people dey somewhere where they go through that same challenges. So if you feel they come online, they make videos, they upload all type of videos. Those people they pass through the same thing, they follow you, they go they share, they go they comment. Because now they feel like person will be say they feel relate to. Person will be say they feel their pain, we understand them. So now so it be. When I come online and wait to help me with that, and I do type of content they create, they share my personal life experiences. Up to now, see they do one. They share my stories, what happen for my life. That's why they tell you say I'm a financial expert based on real life experiences, not education. I not go school, go study finance. Now personal life I they share. And which person don't book session with me, which they don't tell me before. Now they create my content. You know that. Now, the reason why this content is the best is that these people will they follow you, even if not just 1,000 of them. If you upload video or they do anything, they go support you to the end. Go check my platforms: Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. The followers are not many, but check my engagement. Those people, they are willing, they are always there because they love me for what they do. But you saw those also be say maybe one particular thing they trend one period, you can just go use that trend. You can't go just gather up to 1 million followers. The moment that trend die, and those people they follow you because of that trend, and now you're not getting any other thing to offer again apart from that trend. Now then your career end put. Now why you say today, go check people who get 1 million followers. Maybe check my platform and they get engagement more than even people who get 1 million followers. Because majority of those people they follow them, they don't really follow them because they love them or they like what they do like that. Now because say one particular time, one thing trend like go check TikTok, all this is one and they talk their full TikTok. You know that maybe one particular sound rain that time, and this content creator and waiting use to gather an audience. And now when that sound don't fade, go, don't rain, go. All those people just food, all those followers, they just food. Now they will upload video. That video will just get 2 comments out of 1 million followers. Go check TikTok, the many. You know that. So lifestyle-related content will help you build organic followers. So you see they're interested in you, they love you, they like what you they do. And those people will make you last long for the internet. You know understand. Now, before I go to number 3. If I never send you that monetization link, Nigeria is not eligible for monetization, and I send that link to everybody. If you comment I'm interested, I will DM you, send that to you. If I never send that to you, never have, because people many. You know understand. Go check my previous videos on content creation. Comment many, and not they do it to everybody. Sometimes if I don't say give person, I will be confused again. So if I make new video, if you drop the comments there, I will still try my best to send to you if I never sent to you before. You know understand. So number 3 type of content, if you they do, you can create to make up to $1,000 from Facebook every month is what we call interview. Number 1 example is person like you do. That one you never need to stress yourself. You look for person who be say if you feel the interview, they ask questions, they answer you. Simple as ABC. And you upload on your page, people go they watch and they go see the like and the share. You know understand. Number 4 type of content you can create and make money from Facebook every month is what we call educational content. Educational content, like what they do now, is educational content. teaching you about something, giving value. Every content creator dey give value, but for person like Sabinus now, wey dey do skits, wey dey make people dey laugh, e still dey give value because e dey entertain you. Me now, I dey educate you and I value. So any content wey be say dey give information na educational content. For person like me, na give financial content, financial advice. Person like Blessing CEO now, na still educational content creator because she dey teach you about relationship. Person wey dey make video on how to use phone, how to use all this tech, na still educational content because e dey pass information for you through the videos. So you dey learn something from am, e dey teach you something. That's educational content. So all those type of content, you fit still create them. All this car review, na still another type of content. You fit dey review car, you dey review phone. Also na still type of content wey be say you fit still do. And at the end of the month, Facebook will still pay you money. But the easiest one of them, I already talked about in my previous video. You see, blogging. You carry wetin dey trend, like the way the video dey trend now. The video and Sophia Mamodu, they caught because of their daughter Imade. That topic now, if you carry and come your page, talk your opinion, what you think about that, it's gonna public issue, and everybody they want hear your opinion about that particular topic. You share your opinion, people go still share them, they go still love them. Even me, once I create those type of content. That the video marriage, that period where they trend. When I see me for the Facebook, I use that to create more than 12 videos. And all of them make me a lot of money because I'm waiting the trend that period. So that blogging go still fetch you money. You know, understand? Another one you feel they do again, carry your fellow content creators videos, edit them. That one you never need to stress yourself. Just say the background, put your video for them, they shake for the background. The person go they talk, they do what they do. At the end of the day, Facebook will still pay you money. So the day you understand, say this content creation making money on Facebook, you need to be very smart. Not be about you feel they work harder than every other person, they make more money than you. My own video when I go create will cost me more than 2 hours to create. Another content creator go crop that same video. That video, if you fetch me, we create the video. If you fetch me nothing less than maybe $10 or $20. But another content creator go still edit that same video. You go put up for your page. At the end of the month, that video go pay on $200, $1,000. Because for a platform, you start to get 1 million views. I mean, when creator will be the original creator. I not even make up to, I not get up to 50,000 views from inside. So be creative. And sometimes not people by who work hard pass. You use your brain till they do 1 or 2 for inside. It will still help you. You know that made this video not too long.
If you've all listened to him, these are top earners on Facebook. These are people who are making a lot of money. In fact, after he made this video, he even screenshotted his earning for the month before he came up to make this video. So he's not making this video based on just content. He's making this video just to help those of us and to help those people who are still struggling to know the right content to make. Now, let me also chip in something. It's not about listening and watching videos. It's all about you taking action. Like I said, like he said in the video, that each and everything that happens to us is a story, is something that other people can learn and, you know, use it and make an impact in their lives. While you're telling your story, you can also get rewarded by, you know, earning money from it, right? So they don't say you can do it. I want you to challenge yourself today. Just pick up a content like educational content. How did I even start my own YouTube channel? I started with educational content. I educate people on skincare, I educate people on how to, I review skincare products that works, and I tell people how to use it. And let me even tell you, educational content creation is one of the best content creation anybody can venture into. It is called evergreen content. It is something that people will continuously search for in thousands of years to come. So I believe you've all heard him, and I want you to take this into action. I want you to start creating something today. Think of that content. Think of what can you do? What content? What do you think you can offer to the public? What do you think? What service? What do you think you can teach? You can, if you are very good in advising people, then come up online and start advising. In fact, everybody is even advising right now. So if you know you can review tech, why not start it? Don't stop procrastinating. Okay, you can actually do something right now and start earning money from the comfort of your home. Now that our government is not providing job opportunities and employment opportunities for all of us, you can become a content creator and also make money. I hope you find this video very useful and interesting. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this video so that you others can see it as well. Okay, so that we can help as much as we can through this little way. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.